Hello, today we are going to practice reading. Are you ready? Let's go. Bob's toy. Bob has a toy. It is a car. He puts his car in the box. Okay, now it is your turn to read. The Big Pig. Jack is a pig. He is a big pig. Jack is fell in a pit. Now your turn. Tim. Tim is a kid. He has a bib. Tim is on the crib. This is a crib and this is a bib. Now your turn. The fat man. Dan is a fat man. He has a hat. Dan is in the car. Now your turn. Wow, you did it! Congratulations!